Your sleep score is a helpful feedback tool, not a judgment on your worth. It's designed to help you notice patterns, not stress over one rough night. Sleep scores reflect trends in recovery, awakenings, efficiency, timing, heart rate, and sound disruptions. These patterns tell the real story about your sleep quality. A single low score might come from stress, late alcohol, travel, temperature changes, or noise, but repeating patterns across nights reveal deeper insights into your sleep. Good sleep data should make you smarter, not more anxious. If tracking causes worry, try using the information more lightly. Comparing cause and effect across nights helps uncover meaningful trends. For example, late alcohol might raise heart rate and fragment sleep. A cooler room can reduce awakenings, and a regular wake time can improve efficiency. If a metric consistently shows breathing disruption or daytime sleepiness, it might suggest exploring other sleep issues with a broader perspective. Try focusing on just one metric this week, like awakenings or sleep efficiency. This can help you understand your sleep trends without feeling overwhelmed.